I've come down to Cornwall to visit Sam Lovegrove, the ace bike builder who lives in Redruth. Later this year, me and Pete the restorer are going to be attempting a world land speed record, and Sam's rebuilding an engine for me. But all work and no play makes Henry a dull boy, so we've nipped out for some fresh air. Well, welcome to the North Coast of Cornwall. Now I'm down here just to drop off the 3HW for Sam, so as he's developing the race engine, he can use that as a test bed. But, you know, us bikers, any opportunity to go for a ride, so we thought we might have a tootle along the North Coast Road. What are you riding?
My beautiful Ariel.
Maybe beautiful to you, mate. Don't look that beautiful to me. Anyway, the sun's out. Let's get on the road. Keep on running. It's fantastic to be out on the bikes, but I have to admit, I've got an ulterior motive. I want Sam to come with me to Bonneville, but he's not keen. Can I tempt you to come with us?
No, I've been. It was salty.
So I'm trying to soften him up with a bit of riding, interspersed with the odd cup of tea. If I can get him talking about his favourite subject, I'm hoping that I might just persuade him. I'll tell you what, man, the smell of your bike is glorious. What a chat-up line. What is it about Castrol R?
I don't know, does it remind you of being a teenager on a two-stroke or watching racing? A bit of both.
I think it's watching racing, actually.
Yeah.
You know. Now, what rose your boat about that Ariel so much?
It's really old and it's still reliable.
And that's the great thing about vintage bikes. They just go on, and it doesn't even matter that much when they break down. Half the fun is getting off, doing a bit of fettling and getting them to work again. They're just perfect for days like this. But for me, right, riding along this road with you, tootling along, laughing at each other, you know, at 30 miles an hour, it's just what life's about. You never get bored of it.
No.
I dream of days like today.
I think the 30-mile-an-hour side of it is more key than anything else. Because if I use someone's lovely new Japanese motorcycle, I'd come through here at 5 times the speed. But at 30 mile an hour, you're enjoying the view most of the time. Yeah. And that's something not to be missed on this road.
Time to move in for the kill, Henry. Talking about views, Bonneville.
Been before, that's the problem.
But you're the king, man. You've got to come with us.
I'll have my phone on that week.
No, look, it's in reception on the Bonneville Salt Flats, as you know, is to say the least intermittent.
I'm mildly nervous about you taking my engine.
Yep. And if I blow it up on the first run and phone you and say I don't know how to fix it, I'm coming home, your bike's failed.
Will you find good monkfish for me for an evening meal?
We've been there together. You know that's impossible. I promise you, though, I will find you a salad niçoise, yeah, with more carbs attached to it than a deep pan pizza.
All right.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, I don't want any of that, mate. Come on, bud. Let's do it, mate. Hey? Let's do it. Better get back on the bike before he changes his mind.